Let's celebrate Mother's Day around the world with this beautiful fofucha doll made with Foamy. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Kreations. If you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so when I upload a new video, you are the first one to know. Give this video a big thumbs up and watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make doll with Foamy for your lovely mother by just creating and your little bit of your imaginations. Let's get started without wasting time. For this you will need take Foamy ball, cut this way and paste this on this cream Foamy this way with the help of hot glue as shown. Please be careful while using hot glue, you may burn your finger. Now take black glitter Foamy and paste it as shown with hot glue. Paste it this way, press it for a while. Yeah, now shape this black glitter Foamy to make her blouse and with hot glue paste it as shown. Press it for a while. Now take a ball and a square piece of cream Foamy. Warm it this way with iron and place it on top of the ball and press it downwards like this. Now cut this way with scissor to make it even. Repeat this for purple square of Foamy as shown. So now you have cream and purple with you. Now take ball using hot glue, paste both of it as shown. So your face is ready. Now take a rectangle purple Foamy and give the texture to it with acrylic colors this way. Now with scissor cut into strips this way. Here we will fix a small stick to this. Take a small piece, warm it with iron as shown. Place here and with hot glue paste it. Arrange and keep on repeating. You can find more interesting and similar videos on this channel. For this, click I button on the top or the link is in the description below. I'm sure that if you make and give this to your mom, she will really appreciate it. Now, hold it all together one by one and paste it with hot glue. Hold it this way and paste it. Keep on adjusting and paste. It looks beautiful. And yes, my friends, this doll you can gift on any occasions like Valentine Day, birthday, Friendship Day, or you can give anytime. Now take a small stick and a small piece of cream Foamy, roll it over and paste it this way with hot glue. Fix it like this. Now with acrylic colors, make her face. Yeah, her makeup is done. Fix the head to body and attach both her hands with hot glue. Cut the extra hair length with scissor like this. Take small flowers as per to your choice and make circle with wire and attach all the flowers as shown to make her crown this way. Really, it has come out so beautiful. You can fix it on top however you like. Take CD and paste this Foamy sheet on both the sides with hot glue. Now take black strip and roll and paste as shown. Paste the doll on top of the CD and paste flowers all over. Isn't it beautiful and exclusive gift that will last you a lifetime? This is very classic gift that will show mom how much you love her with creative and using little bit of your imaginations. Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you make, share with me on any of my social media with hashtag Sangeeta's Creation, and comment down below. Happy Mother's Day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for your support and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.